Here's an Essential Home table fan. Got this at Sears all the way back in 2007. And it's another fan that was in my very first YouTube video. I remember I couldn't say the name right. So I also still have the box for it. No manual though. And it's got a... I know I didn't get this over the mail, so I don't know what that's for. But there's the side of the box. It's kind of beat up, but it's still in one piece. Well, actually. See that right there. What happened there was it got wet, because I had this in my grandparents' basement at one point, and it started growing mildew right there, so I had to cut that part off, and I taped a piece of cardboard over there, just that nothing fell out. It may look a little silly, but whatever. And there's the bottom. It says Kmart on it, but I know I got this at Sears. Yeah, of course it's made in China. And this is the fan. I will turn it on now. Here's low. It's oscillating. Kind of loose on it. There's the side and the back. See, the head's kind of loose. I tried tightening that screw, but didn't really do anything. Hang on. There's the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, there's my Essential Home table fan. Thanks for watching.